Hello friends, welcome to my new channel. So friends, today I'm doing open the giant box of bourbon and see what's inside. So friends, simply there is no bourbon biscuits inside this box. So let's have a look at this bourbon tag, bourbon name tag. My mom put some of the things inside this, stunning the camera. Box is looking like it's bigger, so let's get open it and see what's inside. Oh, I like something key side. Oh, friends, this is the most beautiful gift I ever got. This is beautiful. This is the This is the most beautiful. So we have a lock kitchen diary. We have one. So friends, see, these are shining like the lights. For pan, furry, and furry keychain. Keychain. So friends, let's take side. My mom put something new in. Here is so tell me what's in. I give 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So time's over. This, but I don't know. Delicious cream biscuits. Friends, this is a brand new makeup kit. So it has 3 functions. 1, 2, 3. These type of things here, and inside one more packet, and then your brush, 2 brushes inside, and 1 sponge. So this kit I got, friends. So bye bye.